Good day, everyone. So today, let's solve three complex problems using the chain rule of algebraic and trigonometric function. So are you ready? Okay, so let's proceed to the problem or the question number one. So given that y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 raised to the power of fourth. Now, let's find the outer derivative, which is let's bring down the exponent of all, which is the number 4. Bring down the number 4, and then let's subtract it into 1. The exponent, let's subtract it into 1. So bring down number 4. We have 4 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 raised to the power of a cube, since 4th minus 1 is equals to 3. And then, after finding the derivative of the outer one, let's also find the derivative of the inner function, which is the 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. And we all know that the derivative of that function is simply 3x minus 2, since the same situation, we're going to bring down the exponent of 3x squared, bring down the 2, and then multiplied by 3, it equals into 6. And then 2 minus 1, it's of course 1. So that becomes 6x. And then followed by negative 2x. So in that in that, the derivative of tx, 2x is just 2. And then the derivative of 5, it equals into 0. So the derivative of the inner part is 6x minus 2. And then let's just put into 1. So we have 4 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 raised to the power of third times 6x minus 2. So you can choose whether this one would be your answer, or you're going to simplify or you're going to multiply the 4 and 6x minus 2. So that would become 24x minus 8, and then copy the 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 raised to the 5 cube. Okay, I hope you can follow. Okay, let's proceed to the number 2. Okay, we are given y equals 3x squared minus 2x raised to the power of 4 times sine 2x cubed minus x. So note that we have two functions here. And according to the law of derivatives, if we are given two functions, we're going to follow the formula that du times b plus u times dv. So the u and v is the original problem here, as you can see, and the du is the derivative of u, and the dv is the derivative of dv. So as what I've said earlier, you're going to multiply the du times v and then added by u times dv. So note that our dv is 4 3x squared minus 2x times 6x minus 2. So since our u is 3x squared minus 2x raised to the power of 4, we're simply get the derivative of that using product rule and chain rule. And then multiplied by the v, which is the second function, that sine 2x cube minus x, and then added by u, which is the original function, the first one, the 3x squared minus 2x raised to the power of fourth, and then multiplied by dv, the derivative of v, which is the sine 2x squared minus x. So we all know that the derivative of sine is simply cosine. So let's solve the first or the outer one. So it become cos 2x uh, cube minus x. And then let's proceed to the inner one. Since 2 times 3 it equals to 6, and then 3 minus 1 it equals into 2. So it will become 6x uh, squared minus 1. Since we're going to eliminate the x, that would become 1. So as you can see, we can't find any numbers that can simplify. So this would be our final answer. Okay, now let's proceed to the number 3, which is y equals cos uh, cube x squared plus 4x minus 1. So, chain rule, let's find the outer part. So we're going to bring down the exponent and then minus it, subtract it by 1. So it would become 3 cos squared, and then copy the inner part, which is that x squared plus 4x minus 1. And then at this moment, you're going to find also the derivative of the inner part, which is the x squared plus 4x minus 1. And then, in the inner part, you're going to bring down the exponent, copy the x, and then since 2 minus 1, it equals into 1, so it would become 2x. Plus, since 4 has its side, which is x, so you're going to copy the 4. And then, minus 1. So we all know that the derivative of any constant would be equal to 0. So the derivative of the inner part is 2x plus 4. So this would be the final answer. Okay, I hope you understand well, and see you for the next video. Thank you for listening.